Hi, thank you for taking the time to watch my crowdfunding campaign for Awesome Sauce with Hot Sauce. Why am I here with a software product? I think is probably the first question you have. And the second question is, if my product's so cool, why am I only pricing it at $1? So I'm going to address those first two questions. Why am I here with a software product instead of getting venture capital? The reason I'm here instead of getting venture capital is because I'm a normal guy. The software has grown while I've been really just thrashing through life. And I haven't quit working on it. The more I work on it, the more ideas come out of it and the more fun it becomes. And the more value I think it has to users. And that's really what it's all about. I'm not building this for me. I'm building it for people like you who want to get more done in less time. You're a developer, you're a computer user, you have ideas of your own. Maybe you don't. Maybe you just need a tool that'll stay running and not break and not force you to think about how to work around it, because you got 6 million other things to think about in your life, as opposed to just trying to get a tool to help you get your work done. Venture capital is weird. They start taking over your mind, and I don't like people taking over my mind. I'm a normal guy. I'm not looking to cash out. I'm not looking to make $6 trillion on a software product. It's just, I think it's a perversion of everything that's reasonable in life. I think we're normal people, and I want to be in touch with my client base. I want to be in touch with the people who use my software, and I want to give you a lifetime subscription because you're taking a chance on me. And you're saying, well, how do I know you're going to be around? Well, look at my 4 previous crowdfunding campaigns. They're going to start really bad, and they're going to get to this, and I'm not going to quit. I don't quit like you. I mean, what are your choices? You can't quit. If you're down to the last penny in your paycheck, you can't quit. If everybody needs you and you got nothing but demands on your time, you can't quit. I get it. We're just normal people trying to get through. This tool is really meant for you to help you get more done. If you're a user, it's more stable. The features it's more stable, meaning you'll be able to come up with more ideas for features. There are visual tools that allow you to change things, so you can experiment with your own things. And that sounds like, why would anybody want me to change my software? Because let's find out what it's like. Let's find out what it's about. You're not going to break anything. You'll always be able to reset back to where you started. It's not that big a deal. And when you see what software is, you'll see that this communication is way harder than software. So as users go, it's meant to be something more. And I've tested it and I've proven it to myself that it's at least more stable and it's at least faster, both from the developer end and from the user end. For developers, people who are just getting into Java, it'll help you learn Java faster. Java programmers who've been on the job a long time, it'll help you prototype code faster. People who understand that it's release quality software will use it to build applications and tools and websites. It's a one language web solution. If you want to see what it works like, look at the Lisp model for building web software, and you'll see that it's really nice because it's very fast, very responsive. It's everything from the HTML to the JDBC to all the functions you write for your business logic. It's really cool. And why $1? You worked for that $1. You put your time in for that $1. That $1 is extremely valuable, and marketing devalues that $1. It says I'm going to take as many of those dollars as I can get from you because I'm going to find that pain threshold and just stay just below it. I think that's a load of crap. All marketing is hyperinflation. It's a way to destroy buying power by forcing people to make choices they shouldn't have to make. It's $1. It's a tool. It's got enough value that I think millions of people are going to want it. If there's millions of dollars in the crowdfunding campaign, I'm going to live on my little stack of money, just like everybody else is living on their little stack of money. And I'm going to use the big stack of money to invest in you in other ways, by building better software, by listening to your needs. And I got 30 other ideas for products that I'm going to build that'll help you. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm not looking to get rich. I'm just looking to make a living and survive so that I can stay in touch with the people who use my things and we can grow together. So that's why I'm here and not getting venture capital. And that's why it's $1, because really $1, because most of the world can't even afford $1. They can't even think. They hear $1 and they're like, I'll never get that. And so that's why there's sponsorships and that's why there's gifts. Even $2, I'm going to change the model a little bit. $2 will get you we'll get you to sponsor 2 people, and it'll get you a free copy yourself. So if you're going to buy yourself a copy and you have $2, sponsor 2 people, and you'll get a copy anyway. And that way, when people email me and say, my little sister wants to try it, but we don't have any money, and we have this old clunky computer that's running an old version of Windows. Will it run? I'll make sure it works on their system, and I'll make sure that she has the tools that she needs to learn what she needs to learn, and the whole family maybe can get into it. But it's really for people, and I want to keep it for people, and that's why it's $1. And I'm hoping to appeal to a lot of people around the world. And if you want to see my commitment to it, look at my previous 4 crowdfunding campaigns. I'm really bad at marketing. I'm hoping I'm getting better, but the software itself it's come a long ways. It's cool. It's got some exciting components. I'm going to be doing videos on what's inside, how it works, how to build it, tons more stuff. I hope you see something that makes you interested in funding the campaign, and that it's a lifetime subscription. And if you're not sure, I hope you check back often. And if you have questions, I hope you ask them. By all means, reach out to me, ask me questions. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. I look forward to hearing from you. I hope that you'll consider crowdfunding my campaign, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you very much.